welcome to my channel. I have an ASC Craft Supplies design team project. ASC has two stores, an Etsy and a regular website. I'll leave a link to both of those as well as the Facebook group in the description box below. Remember to use my coupon code Michelle10 for 10% off, and if you purchase $75 or more, you receive free shipping. I did use the Mente Lady paper collection. It's absolutely stunning with the beautiful greens and like peachy pinks. It's so pretty. I'll put a link to my flip through of the collection in the description box below as well, so you can see all of the beautiful detail in it. Mente has beautiful paper, and it's a good quality paper to work with when we're paper crafting. What I have created is this loaded banner for a swap, and we will just wanted to show you the overview of what it looked like, and then we'll go in for a closer look and I'll show you each banner piece. So you can see the middle banner, but I absolutely love the mannequin, and then it shows the woman in the mirror. And I did add some flowers from the shop as well as a few from my stash. I included this little chipboard piece that said kindness is always fashionable. I thought that was a really nice saying that went with the collection really well. I did cut these little frames and dress forms out with my Silhouette Cameo, and I will link those in the description box as well in case you would like to purchase those. And the first banner, I have this beautiful window scene, and I just love the flowers, so I was trying to mimic those with my floral clusters. I did put some cheesecloth in the background and use the same flowers again. I just changed the position on each banner, and the banner does open up, and I do have some goodies to put inside. So I thought this was a really neat project that Kay came up with, and I'll leave a link to her tutorial in the description box as well. So it's just an absolutely beautiful project, and this collection I thought went perfectly. And then the last banner piece that I have is this one here. It has her dressing table with the perfume bottles and the mirror, and then the beautiful flowers, and you can see part of a frame there. It's just so pretty and so elegant, I thought. And for this swap, we were to create a tassel to go in the first box. So here's my tassel. I used some lace that I thought looked very similar to in the paper. And some of this is from those Michael celebrated ribbon packs that they had. And then I did add some seam binding, but I love this green with the gold, and I thought it coordinated nicely with the paper. And we were to create 2 sets of 4 handmade embellishments. So I did some bows, and then I just had some scraps of really pretty lace that I tucked in underneath the flower. So I made 4 of those. And then the last one, I took some of the cut aparts from the 6x6 paper pad and made these little shakers, and then pop dotted them on the rosettes. I did put some cheesecloth in behind it and then used the little flowers there, but I love how these came out. So this one has the mannequin, and this one had a perfume bottle, and this one had another perfume bottle, and I did use the square frames for this. And then the last one is the back of the beautiful lady. So make sure to check out ASC Craft Supplies. Use my coupon code Michelle10 for 10% off. Free shipping on any purchase $75 or more. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a comment and give me a thumbs up. And have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.